Let's do a little bit, let me show you how we can do some of the shadow stuff. You'll notice in our reference photo that like when it goes really, really thin, it gets kind of dark. But down on this bottom level here, almost following this edge here, how it kind of rounds, you'll see that it blends in and gets a little bit darker as it comes down below. So I have my black pencil here, and so what I can do is start with a light application of the black, so like this, and it's going to go up just a little ways so it covers up some of that brighter colors, and so it gets them a little bit more dull. And then as it comes down here at the bottom, see we have a light application here. As I'm about halfway to the bottom here, it's going to get a little darker like this. So I'm pressing just a little bit harder. Now I'm going to come in this way and press even a little harder. And it's going to cover up a lot of that other color with the black. Now over here, I'm going to press even harder because that goes into the shadow area of the hole like that. So that black can come up even taller over here if we want. And then down here at the bottom, it can get pretty dark. I went a little bit outside my lines there. Let me take my eraser here. Like that. And so that puts in the shadow area on that bottom, on that part here. Let's go ahead and do the same thing over here. Put my pencil down and bring those marks going up. And then change this into a darker value down here at the bottom. On the brown side, even darker, press just a little harder right on this edge over here. Like that. And so it makes it look like it's going from lighter up top to darker down here at the bottom. You can also come back in and re-emphasize these lines if you'd like with the black. Just kind of that way it kind of goes outside and makes a nice strong edge. And so we'll do this on the other side as well. First I'll put in my colors, and then I'll come back in and put in my shadows. And you can also do this. This will make it really sharp. Is take your black pencil and this right next to the edge of the yellow, come in and emphasize that black line like that. Make a nice hard edge right next to the yellow. Same over here. Come in, a nice crisp clean line like that, and it'll make that pop right off the page just a little bit more as you put in that emphasized darker line here. Got to get my darker values in this part too. Remember, if you place your pencil and you pull in towards the middle and lift it, it'll make it a nice dark on the bottom, and it'll get gradually lighter as it comes up top. Kind of like that. So place it here and slowly bring it up. Let's go here, hard edge there, hard edge right there. So there we have the start of our hole. Got to go darker back in through here. And so that's how we're going to add in our values, is with the black. And be able to put that shadow across the bottom area into here. And that'll do it.